Welcome back to Dad Untied. Welcome back to the channel. I'm sure you are binge watching all of my videos, which as of this one will be 2. But if this is later on in the future and you're binge watching these videos, thank you for returning. I'm sure that this channel just adds so much joy to your life and fills you with so much happiness, and I'm sure seeing a balding middle-aged man on YouTube struggling to get through a video and to edit a video and talking about sneakers brings so much joy to your life. Turn the volume down on my iPad there. But that said, welcome back to another unboxing. Hopefully you saw the awesome intro that I worked so hard on at the beginning of this video. Hopefully that came through and I actually got it on there this time. This is a learning curve, especially when you're, as I said, a balding middle-aged man desiring to talk about sneakers. But we are going to get into another pickup this week that I had, another unboxing, another review. This week we are looking at the Nike React Presto Undercover collab that just came out a couple weeks ago. I've had these sitting, haven't opened them yet. If you are new to sneakers and you do not know what a collab is, that is a short for a collaboration. That's when two different brands get together and make a shoe. And so Nike has the the Nike React Presto, which was a silhouette that I believe came out last year in 2019 or 2018, probably 2018. I tried it on a couple times in store, could not find a colorway that I really could get behind, but I saw Undercover coming out with a collaboration with Nike on that particular silhouette, and I saw some of the early images and got pretty excited. Undercover is a brand out of Japan. It was started by Jun Takahashi, and it's like a lifestyle brand and stuff over there. They've done several collaborations with Nike in the past, and some of them have been awesome, some of them have been meh, but I'm pretty excited about this one. I have here the black colorway and the white colorway. I'm probably not going to keep both of these. I'm just going to see which one I like once I actually get them. But I wanted to go ahead. They had a third colorway. I can't remember what that one was. But I wasn't. It was almost like a purple, and I'm not a big purple fan, so I did not go for those. I believe you can still get them on the sneakers app, Nike sneakers app, and I'm sure they're out there on your secondary sites, GOAT, StockX.
Eventually.
We will get right into it. Let's see which one we want to do first. We'll do the white. Set this one aside. Pretty cool box. It's matte black, and then it's got the the Nike and the shiny. You see there on the the Undercover logo. Just pretty simple. If you're interested in this brand, it's pretty cool actually. I wasn't real familiar with it outside of their collaborations with Nike because I'm not from Japan, but they I guess it was inspired a lot by like American punk music and British punk music. He was a big fan of the Sex Pistols, and so that's where a lot of his inspiration comes from. It's where his inspiration came from for this brand Undercover, but pretty cool. So just pretty cool. Not your standard open up the box, top of the box, kind of slides out. See the paper there, Undercover, Jun Takahashi on it. meant to show you the end there. You can see it says the Nike React Presto Undercover. If I can get it to stop glaring, that's what it looks like. So let's leave the box here. All right, like I said, this is the white colorway. Let's see, it says white, black, white. That's it, white and black, white. All right, so as you can see, it's kind of a bigger, clunkier silhouette. That's how the Nike, the React Presto was. Presto was awesome silhouette that they do not make anymore, but they kind of revamped it with the React outsole on it. And if you've ever worn a pair of the React, you know they're very, very comfortable. But we'll kind of go through in detail on this one, and then I'll just get the black out and we'll kind of look at that pretty quick, and then we'll cut to some sweet B-roll, that beautiful bean footage. It's white. It's all white. Some people aren't a fan of an all-white shoe. I like an all-white shoe most of the time. I am kind of obsessive compulsive about my shoes, and so I make sure they're clean all the time. It is a lot harder to keep white clean though. So the outsole, like I said, is Nike React. You can see it says Nike React there, and then it's all white with some like black paint splatter or speckles, and then it has like this really thick rubber. I don't know if you can, yeah, look at that. Those are meaty, right? And so those will be good traction. You can almost play golf in these bad boys. But it's kind of interwoven through these. Every React silhouette that they have, like the Element 87, the Element 55, had like this kind of translucent rubber that went through the outsole. And then the upper, this leather, looks like a standard leather, nothing special, just real smooth, doesn't look like it's tumbled or anything like that. Then there's like some like plastic here that's looks like it's over a mesh. So there's mesh like underneath this plastic here. Everywhere where there's that mesh, there is plastic, like even here on the back. And then the lacing system kind of looks like the React, the Presto, I mean. That they all had that kind of wider lacing system with the cages on each side, but they continued that onto the Element or the React Presto also last year. So kind of put their undercover spin on it. But I mean, it's basically a Element React, React Presto. On the inside, you can see it says Nike, and then undercover with Jun Takahashi. Luckily, sometimes anymore you don't know because mismatching shoes is becoming a thing in the sneaker culture. But this one, luckily, is the same. So looks exactly the same. It's just for the left side of your body, which is good. But yeah, that's the white one. We'll grab the black one out real fast. That's the one I think I'm more interested in possibly keeping, and the one that I will probably be doing a lot of like on foot. Let's see. Get this out of the way. All right. Yeah, here's the black one. Looks basically just like the white one, except in a black colorway. Now this kind of gives me the vibe that you're a painter, right? So I feel like this would be easier to kind of hide some dirt and some stuff like that. But yeah, it looks like you're a painter for a living, and you wear white pants, and then you slap these bad boys on to go to work, and it's okay. You just got paint splatter all over it, but I'm sure these are insanely comfortable. And like I said, there was a third colorway. Oh, a little detail I missed. I didn't see it. I don't know if you can see the little U here on the back tab. That's pretty dope. It is on both sides. So yes, left and right shoe are exactly the same. So yeah, they pretty cool. Same lacing system. I think I like the black better. Let me know what you guys think. But I didn't see, you never know with these undercover silhouettes if they're going to be hyped or not. If you don't know what that means, it means that a shoe is, well, you know what the word hyped means, and so you can imagine what that means in sneaker culture. A shoe that's wanted very badly, and people go after it. A lot of resellers go after those shoes to turn those around and make a little extra money. But really thought these had the opportunity to be that, and I don't know if it's just because they're kind of a plain colorway, but I like it, especially this black one for wintertime, especially here in middle Missouri, walking around in snow and stuff like that. I feel like that beefy outsole there would help. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing some lifestyle stuff in this, some on foot walking around, give you my review after that. But I wanted to unbox them and kind of give you a close-up of them and show them. And like I said, I'll probably do a separate video and just let you know how these things actually feel on foot. But yeah, that is about it for today. Thank you for joining me. If you would, go down and hit that subscribe button, and then go over just a little bit. Let's see, I don't know which direction that's going to be for you down there. Go over and you'll see the notification bell. Hit that notification bell, and that will let you know when I post a video again. And if you would like this video, also comment below if I have helped you feel better about yourself as you watch these videos and you watch me struggle and talking and editing them afterwards. And I'm just trying to do my part in the world to make everyone feel better about themselves and make the world a better place. Yes, that has been my review of the Nike React Presto. Did I say that in the right order? I don't know. Nike React Presto, Nike Presto React. I think it's Nike React Presto. That has been my review. Thank you for joining me. If you would, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hit that like button, and then let me know what you think of these and what reviews you want to see. So that is it for today. Thank you very much. I'm out.